everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's get right into this. So this is a handheld steamer. I'm super excited to try this out because I have been going through my house, deep cleaning everything, and these things are awesome. Like for scrubbing grout or anything like that, this is your go-to. Or like even like in windowsills when you have like those hard to reach spots. Vehicles, you can use this for so many different things. Let me go ahead and open it and show you what it looks like, and then I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so this is what the steamer looks like. Let me go ahead and show you all the attachments that it comes with. So it comes with this hose right here, which this is really great for like getting in cracks of stuff. It comes with a user manual that'll show you step by step on how to use it. This is like a squeegee, and it's for cleaning glasses. You can actually put this attachment on. So just like that, this thing works amazing. Really get it clean. This is where you're actually going to put the water on top of this, which I'll show you that in a little bit. And then it has all these different brushes. That one, you have this. You have two of these, which are these ones right here. These are great for like windows or fabric. You can actually clean off chairs and everything, just really sterilize everything. And then it comes with extra ones of these, and then this one's metal. This is really great for using like on your stove, really like tough places to clean. And then it comes with this piece right here. But let's go ahead and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So this is distilled water, so I'm just going to unscrew this. You're going to put your little funnel. Then you're going to fill it all the way up. Just like that. Then we're just going to seal it. What I also love about this is the cord is extremely long to it. So you're going to seal it. And then this, you can put different attachments to. So I will probably be using, since I'm going to be doing grout, I'll probably just slip this thing on. Just like that, and then turn that on. But let's go ahead and see how it actually works on the grout. Okay, so you can see the light went off, so now it is ready to use. So you can see the difference. And that was no chemicals needed. That is just straight distilled water. And it got that clean. And then press this down. And you can see I can actually go through my whole house in no time and get all the floors done. And then if you want to get like places like that, you can always switch out to something more like this. Just like that. And that pretty much gets everything like all in the cracks that you normally can't get a hold of. It just cleans out everything without any issues. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.